In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products and variable products in WooCommerce. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the products section, hover your mouse over it, and then click on all products. This will bring you to a list of all the products currently in your store. At the top of this page, click on Add New Product. That will open up the product editor where you'll set everything up. Inside the editor, start by entering your product name in the first field at the top. This should be clear and descriptive, since it's what customers will see. Just below that is the main product description area. Here you can write a detailed description of your item. You can use formatting like headings, bold text, and bullet lists within WordPress to make it more readable. And this is a good place to highlight features, benefits, and any important details. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a box labeled Product Image. Click on Set Product Image. A media pop-up will open showing files already in your media library. To upload a new image from your computer, click the Upload Files tab, then select Files. Choose your product image from your computer and confirm. Wait for the upload to finish, then click Set Product Image at the bottom right of the pop-up. If you want to add extra images such as different angles or close-ups, use the Product Gallery section just below. The process is similar to setting the main product image. Next, scroll down to the Product Data section. Under the General tab, you'll see fields for regular price and sale price. Enter your normal price in the regular price field. If you're running a promotion, you can optionally add a sale price. Then go to the Inventory tab, where you can manage stock settings such as SKU and stock status. In the Shipping tab, you can define the product's weight, dimensions, and shipping class, which helps calculate accurate shipping costs. If you want this to be a variable product, like a shirt with different sizes or colors, stay in the product data section and look at the drop-down at the top where it currently says Simple Product. Click that drop-down and choose Variable Product. Then click the Attributes tab in the left panel of this section. You'll see fields for name and values. In name, type the type of option you want to offer, for example, color. In values, enter the different options separated by a symbol such as a vertical bar, for example, red and blue, gray, green. When you're done, click Save Attributes so WooCommerce can use them to build variations. Now click the Variations tab in the same left panel. Inside Variations, choose the option to add a variation manually. A new drop-down field will appear. Click it and select the combination of attributes you want for that variation, like a specific color. If you need more variations, click the Add Manually option again and repeat the process for each combination you need. When all your variations are added, click Save Changes and wait for the Product Data section to reload. Once that's done, you'll see an option to add prices for your variations. Click Add Price, and a pop-up will appear where you can enter pricing for each variation. Fill in the price fields as needed, then confirm to save those prices. When you're happy with your product, details, images, pricing, and variations, go to the top right of the screen to the Publish box. If this is a new product, you'll see a Publish button. If you're editing an existing one, it might say Update. Click that button to save your changes and make the product live on your WooCommerce store.